Nangyari? Hindi, siya bumangga sa atin.
Tatabi ka?
Oo, tatabi ako.
Tinuturo ka. Huwag ka makapag-away.
Siya yung bumangga. Ah. Camera. Hello, what happened?
Ya?
What happened?
Hah?
What happened?
Aku nggak tahu. Tadi nggak kurang lihat saya juga Pak.
Yeah, he bumped on me.
Ya?
English.
Oh, sorry.
Diyan ka lang. Kasi hindi nakalak yan.
Ningol ini kayaknya Pak ya.
Yeah, he bumped on me. Dito ka lang kasi baka mag-autolock. Ayan guys, may bumangga sa atin. Natin alam kung ano nangyari. Hala, my God.
Apa di belakang ini?
Hello, what happened?
Eh?
What happened? He bumped on my car.
Ya.
He bumped on my car.
Kena ekornya mobil apa ya?
What?
Orang saya di belakangnya.
Dia nabrak saya jadi kena bapak sedikit.
Can you speak English?
Kurang bisa.
Ayan guys, so dahan-dahan tayong tumatakbo, bigla niya tayong binangga. The problem, walang camera yung sasakyan, okay? So ngayon, chinecheck pa natin kung anong mangyayari. Hello, can you speak English? No. Wait, I get my cellphone. Cellphone ko. Cellphone. Ito. Oh. Ganyan tayo.
Wala nga halos kasi.
Hello, good morning. Are you free? Are you available? Okay. Someone bumped in our car. We are in Sudirman Street. Yeah, a motorcycle bumped in our car. I'm driving too slow and he bumped our car. Motorcycle. He. Yes. Wait. Let's deal with this first before the money, okay? Money comes first. Money comes last because right now I don't know what to do because they don't know how to speak English. Here. I'm filming the accident right now. Indonesian, can you talk?
Oh iya.
Ayan guys, hindi ko alam kung ano nangyari as in.
Kecelakaan lalu lintas. Jadi saya di belakang bapak yang tadi yang punya handphone ini. Bapak ini kan yang pakai mobil ya. Saya di belakangnya. Nah, gitu dari belakang datang bapak yang apa? Naik motor juga nabrak saya. Jatuh. Nah, terus saya juga kan jalannya agak jadi sempoyongan. Nyenggol bapak yang punya mobil. Nggak parah, nggak nyenggol lah itu mah. Itu nggak ada apa-apa. Gitu. Ayah kentop, Pak. Nyenggol hungkul. Heeh.
Yeah, because he bumped on me.
Ya, saya hanya bisa kasih tahu dia nyenggol tuh artinya apa? Nggak ada kata apa. Karena belakang saya ditabrak, otomatis kan saya sempoyongan ya, gitu.
Guys, ayun yung motor niya.
Ya.
Nagsi-cellphone siya habang nagdadrive.
Ya. Pak, sebentar, coba aja tanyain apa memang ada yang cacat. Kalau saya rasa sih nggak ada gitu ya. Halo? Ya, mangga.
Thank you. Hello.
Hello, can you turn on the video call? Oh, yeah. What's the point of the bump or accident in the car?
Wait. I'm okay. This is the guy. Okay. Yeah, I'm filming right now for YouTube. And this is his motorcycle.
Yes.
Okay. And this is the car. I think he's using his cell phone. That's why he accidentally hit the car.
Sa Indonesia,
Here, only minor scratches. Only scratches. Yeah, it's only scratches. Yeah, paint, only paint.
Yeah.
Coba,
Can you
sebentar.
come back to the guys?
Here.
Ya Pak. Jadi saya jalannya dengan bapak ini agak berdampingan di belakang tuh. Agak berdampingan. Nah, terus mungkin si bapak yang nabrak saya itu mau nyalip, kagok atau gimana, jadi nabrak saya. Gitu. Saya jalannya agak sempoyongan dikit, kan saya pasti mengurangi kecepatan. Ya, sebenarnya nggak cepet saya sih. Ya, boleh tanya ke bapak yang punya mobil, kecepatan dia sama saya mungkin kurang lebih sama lah.
Iya Pak, Bapak pada terus tapi kena ayah.
Hey guys, kausapin yung driver.
Kenapa? Ya kalau misalnya ngomong begitu kan memang itu motor nabrak saya, tapi kan kagoknya juga mungkin karena mobil ini Pak. Setahu saya dia kagok gitu dari belakang gitu, nabrak saya. Kalau mungkin ada saksi mau bicara dengan saksi juga, ada yang lihat. Kalau saya yang bicara kan bisa nggak ini ya. Saya sampaikan ke saksi aja ya. Gimana? Eta nu nabrak saya. Jatuh.
Oh, eta nu dibonceng Bapak?
Itu dibonceng 2 motor, Pak. Saya mah sendiri. Saya sendiri. Bapak yang ngegoler eta nabrak saya gitu. Gitu. Ya. Saya juga sebenarnya nggak bisa lama-lama Pak. Saya mau kerja jam 9 kurang 10 menit harus sampai tujuan. Kalau enggak saya dipotong 350.000 Pak. Ya, saya juga orang kerja sih.
Ano si Mr. lah.
Ya, ya, ya. Ini pokoknya saya ngerasa sih ya. Jadi saya berdampingan dengan bapak yang bawa mobil ini di belakang. Si ininya yang belakang saya mau nyalip. Mau nyalip mungkin kagok. Jadi kenanya ke saya. Kalau misalkan dia lebih ini mungkin bisa kena ke mobil malahan. Gitu. Ya. Coba bicara lagi dengan bapak ini atau mau sekalian dengan yang apa namanya kalau ada saksi gitu ya. Ya, ya, ya.
Hello.
Yes. I will discuss with my colleague in our office. So
Okay.
we'll investigate. So there's accident. I hope there is no big worries.
What?
I'll tell you later
Laksan mo.
because I don't have authority for decision.
But wait. We are going to Kawaputi now. So what will happen?
Yeah, it I think will make a long time to discuss with the guys who.
Wait. Upon the discussion with the other guy,
Yeah.
who is at fault?
Yes, please. Or let them discuss to pay the insurance risk.
Okay, it's only a scratch actually. But my point is,
Yeah.
what will happen now? Because we need to go to Kawaputi. Can we go now or no?
This you can take the picture.
Okay.
The ID of those guys.
Okay.
The ID and then the phone number.
Okay, noted. Because I think it's his fault because he bumped on our car.
Yeah. That's okay. Maybe you can continue to Kawaputi.
Okay, because I'm going to post this in YouTube for the awareness of the
Yeah.
tourists going here in Indonesia.
Yes.
Yeah, everything is recorded actually. Right now I'm recording the our conversation is recorded.
Yes.
Okay, sige. Okay, I'm going to take his picture and
Yeah. The phone number.
cell phone number and the motor, right?
Yes, correct. Yeah.
Okay. Okay, noted. Thank you.
Yeah. You're welcome.
Hi. As per the one that you're talking, wait. I'm going to do the Google Translate. Guys, mag-Google Translate lang tayo ha. He bumped on my car. I'm driving slow. I don't know why. Excuse me. Dito siya banda nangyari guys eh. Ito. Yan. So ito yung motorsiklo niya. No. I type. Okay.
Huh?
Ito yung motorsiklo niya. Ayun siya. You can type.
Ini udah Your car, this? Oh,
Ayan guys, ito type niya.
saya nggak tahu harus bicara apa ini.
Ay nako, laking... Actually, hilig kasi nilang mag-cellphone habang nagmumotor. So yun. Biktima rin daw siya ng car crash. Kasi bumangga yata itong motor sa kanya. Guys, peperahan pa yata tayo. Sabi ni. Can we go to the police? Hi, is there a police? Police?
Nanti di sini saya udah ditelepon katanya.
Yeah,
Udah
because
telepon.
this guy bumped my car, and now they're saying that they're the victim.
Nanti aja sampai polisi. Ambulan.
Okay.
Bapaknya mana? Bapaknya tadi.
Yang mana?
Yang tadi yang bawa HP.
Ini yang bawa HP. Sebentar. Listen?
Yeah, it's okay.
Enggak, yang bawa HP-nya bapak ini.
Nggak tahu.
Yang tadi bapak tadi kemana?
Saya lagi ini nggak lihat, Pak. Saya kan lagi ngikut ini nggak
Ya
lihat.
ini sakit. Suruh cepet-cepet datang yang dipanggil tadi.
Hindi ko nakikinig niya sabi niya.
Ini Pak, saya kan ngobrolnya sama bapak ini. Sedangkan yang ini kan lagi sama yang bapak yang lain diurusnya maksudnya. Saya kan kurang tahu, nggak lihat
Yang
jadinya.
nolong tadi bapak tadi mana HP-nya yang pegang?
Nggak tahu, saya kan di sini terus. Sebentar ya.
Is the police will come?
Hah?
Police?
Saya mau pulang. Come to house.
Police.
Polisi.
Yeah,
Polisi.
because it's much faster if there's a police.
Police will come here. Mister?
Yes.
Oh. Aduh. You understand this?
This is not my fault. I'm driving.
No, this.
Yeah, I already read
Eh,
I already read your
translate.
chat. Yes. Guys, nagagalit na ako. Sorry.
Katanya mau bawa ini katanya.
Hah? Mau ke rumah sakit ini kasihan.
Ah, saya nggak kerja ini.
Ini kasihan ini.
Panggil polisi aja, dibawa ke rumah sakit.
Ini udah sakit banget ini. Orangnya belum
Nih.
datang.
He,
Yeah, my car.
mine.
So he bumped your car.
Yes.
And
my
then
motor.
and then you're the one who bumped on me.
Yes.
So we're both victims.
Yes.
Okay, now I understand. I thought he bumped on me.
He bump my motor. Okay? Then because I am lost what
Yeah, yeah.
persimpangan
You are from
Philippines, I'm a vlogger.
You are from?
Yeah.
I'm a YouTube vlogger because I'm here to attract more tourists in the Indonesia.
Oh.
For you guys to have more money, I'm doing a video so tourists will go here. Guys, ngayon maliwanag na, hindi daw tayo yung may kasalanan. Binangga niya yung motor ni Kuya, kasi Kuya bumangga sa atin. Ganun yung nangyari. So right now, we're waiting for the ambulance and the police para ma-solve to. Okay. This is right. We are the victim.
Yes.
Okay.
Mana nih tempat-tempat dibawa ke rumah sakit?
Hardly, you know.
He bumped.
He bumped me.
Yeah.
Hardly.
Yes.
Then I.
Yeah.
You know.
Yes.
Then
Okay.
bump a little your car. If he bump your car, I think not only scratch.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah,
Gimana
yeah.
nih?
Yeah, he's at fault.
Can you take him to hospital?
We have a schedule actually. Is there no ambulance here?
I don't know.
Help me. Yoka. Hospital.
Okay.
Hah? Rumah sakit.
Actually, we are not allowed to move him because there's some I think there's a broken.
Help me to
Wait.
hospital.
Wait, I'm going to type.
Dengan segera Bu, ambulannya Bu. Ya ini kan.
Ini udah datang nih temannya.
Ini imannya lagi ini tidak
Ambulan.
sadar Bu.
Ah.
Atau yang apa yang
Ambulannya secepatnya Bu.
Ini udah mau gigil.
Halo Ibu. Ibu. Ya secepatnya ya, mohon Pak ya. Ayo Bu ya.
Ya, relax. Kalau makin dilawan makin sakit.
Relax. Depan Sudirman Street Good Bandung Bu. Ya, security-nya ya.
Here.
security.
Don't give water. Sorry. So don't move. Let's wait for the ambulance.
Bentar lagi ambulan datang.
Menurut Bapak ini dia nggak berani nendangin, takutnya malah
Oh enggak, ambulan mau datang. Ambulan mau datang.
Jadi paling nunggu ambulan.
Ke ambulan welcome.
Yeah.
Udah lagi tunggu.
Let's wait for the ambulance. It's much safer.
Nah. Iya tunggu sebentar.
Ah,
Enggak, ini mah orang ini ya, orang luar. Ini mah orang kita.
Where are you come from?
we're going to Kawaputi to do YouTube vlog.
No.
Philippines.
Welcome to Philippines.
Udah.
Sakitnya luar biasa. Relax aja dulu, ya.
Excuse me.
Mas kasihin ke ininya mas ke sini.
Yang Bapak tabrakan anak.
Bapak ya nabrak saya dari belakang, saya pakai motor.
Where are you from?
Jadi saya
Philippines.
nyenggol.
He bumped his motor. His motor bumped me.
Oh, so Philippines.
Yeah, he
Yeah.
bumped. He bumped me.
Oh, okay.
Di sini mobil, saya di sini, dia dari belakang. Mungkin
No, I'm driving a car.
Oh,
nabrak saya
I'm a YouTuber.
yes.
saya yang ini. Bapak itu mobil.
Baka mag-lock yan ha. Baka mag-lock.
Itunya udah dipanggil. Bulannya datang. Santosa.
Bulan ini sama
Santosa.
enggak tahu di ambulan mana.
No yet.
Can you get?
Mas, ininya mas. Deket hidung.
Takut panas kan?
Mau nggak press air mah nggak panas. Kalau minyak angin panas. Jangan dikucurin.
Enggak.
Di lehernya. Jaraknya kena. Tetesin ke mulutnya satu sedikit. Ke mulutnya sedikit.
Wait. Talk, you can talk.
Saya rasa sukar untuk sementara ini mendapatkan kartu identitas.
Wait. It's not functioning. Why? What's the problem?
Siapa yang manggil?
Saya ketik aja.
Ah, you type. Can you understand English?
Siapa yang di mana ini?
No. The ambulance is too slow. Where's the ambulance?
Diputar mas, diputar.
Ayan guys, masyado nang kumakain ng ano to. It's almost 30 minutes na andito pa din tayo. Di pa din tayo nakakaalis.
We should call ambulance earlier.
Yeah, we should.
Too late.
Actually, I already told them to call the ambulance.
But nobody.
Nobody called the ambulance?
Hah?
Udah manggil kan?
Ya.
Security?
Udah si Aatan cuma satu. Mana Bang?
Harusnya tadi langsung ya. Kan dia bilang belakangnya takut. He said his back pain very pain.
Yeah, because I think he drive too fast.
Oh, I see.
That's why he bumped that guy, and that guy bumped me.
Maybe something. Yeah, right.
Guys, so siya yung bumangga kay Kuya, binangga niya yung motor ni Kuya. Tapos nabangga tayo ni Kuya. Ayun yung sasakyan natin.
Pakai mobil bapak ke rumah sakit atau
What?
bawa pakai mobil. Naik mobil bapak.
No. We can't because if we move him, there's a tendency that it's not safe. Yeah. Ambulance is much safer than us.
Oh iya, itu di Mas Street.
It should be the ambulance, not us, because there's a broken bone. If we move him, it is very dangerous for him.
Orang kerek ka dieu. Hah? Udah dia telepon kan di Mas Street, Bel.
Ayan guys, gusto kasi nilang ipasakay si Kuya sa sasakyan na dala natin para madala sa hospital. The problem, hindi pa pwede kasi pag ginawa natin yun, possible pa siyang maaksidente. So, ganun. Hello. Yeah, we're still here. The ambulance is still not here. Now I know the whole scenario. The guy that you talked, he told me that he's the one who bumped our car because the suspect is the one who bumped him. So we are totally a victim because we're driving too slow, and then the guy who is now injured is the one who's driving too fast. Yeah, the problem, I can't get his ID and cell phone number. Even the guy that he bumped can't get the details. So we're still waiting for the ambulance. I'm still here recording the incident. Can okay. Yeah. Actually, the damage is only yeah, it's too minor. It's just a simple paint actually, because I also have a car. Yeah, your car is too strong because it's only a paint. I'm so shocked because in the Philippines that kind of damage will cause the car to be damaged. The damage is too strong. So okay. But the problem is Do you have? Can you? Okay. Okay. Can you send someone who knows English, because it's too hard to communicate here.
Udah ada potongan tadi juga ya.
Okay. Okay, noted. Yeah, hoping. I'm hoping to. That's why I'm driving too slow to avoid accident. You know what? Yeah, I'm only driving 30 kilometer per hour. It's too slow. Yeah, it's only 30. It's actually the motorcycle is overtaking me. They are too fast, and I'm slow because I want to avoid accident, and now it's happened. Okay. Okay, noted. Thank you. I think that's the ambulance. That the ambulance? Ay, thank God, dumating na rin guys yung ambulance. Okay, thanks God, andyan na, may ambulance rin. Okay, yan. I don't know.
Bapak ikut ya.
Ayan guys, dumating na yung ambulance sila. Okay, thank God, nandyan na siya.
Oh iya, Hermina, ini kerja
Ya.
tempat kerjanya.
Pak, makasih sudah ditolong, Pak. Ya pagi, Pak, pagi. Iya. Iya betul. Ini sudah ada dari Hermina. Sudah ada ambulan dari Hermina. Terima kasih. Sudah ada. Iya. Hermina Pastur ya? Pastur ya? Iya. Makasih ya. Makasih.
Ayan guys, buti dumating na yung ambulansya. Thank God, ang tagal ng service nila. It's almost 30 minutes bago dumating yung ambulansya.
Kang bawa ini.
Motor apa tuh kemana? Oh udah dalam. Oh motor udah ada dalam.
Oh iya,
Oh, udah diamankan.
Bawal daw mag-video.
What do you say? I don't.
Sorry. They're not allowing me to talk the video, but I'm also a victim.
Oh, iya. Kang bawa ini sandalnya ya, Pak.
Ibu satu rombongan sama ini.
Enggak.
Oh, enggak.
Saya yang bantu.
Oh, ngebantu.
Saya di sini, sandalnya deket.
Oh,
He's the one who bumped us.
oh, okay.
Yeah, he bumped the other guy motorcycle, this one.
Okay.
And then his motor bumped to my car.
You have to follow this because you have to register all of the anything on the hospital. Yeah. You have to go.
Because they're the victim.
Yeah, we are the victim.
No, I don't know the case. I don't know
Okay.
the case, but we have to go here and we have to explain to the officer what is the problem.
What happened?
What happened?
Actually, the issue is not what happened. The issue is the language.
Yeah, because if you have to go, you
Tapi dia nggak bisa bahasa Indonesia.
Yeah.
Dia dari luar.
someone will have to speak.
Pak,
I'm
ada yang bantu
I'm a
nggak, Pak?
YouTuber. I'm doing vlog for
Dia nggak masalah, soalnya dia yang ditabrak, dia nggak masalah. Ada yang bantu.
I need someone who can talk to
Ini ada yang
who
bantu.
can talk English.
Dia masih ikut. Okay, you don't know. You can do your thing. You can go. You better go. You better go now. Otherwise they will going to go. You better go now.
Okay.
Okay, thank you. Thank you because the doctor already take care.
Okay. I just need the cell phone number and the ID of the guy because it's what the insurance company needs.
Oh, you have insurance.
Yeah. Car insurance.
Khawatirnya nanti ada yang minta keterangan apa, ini kan dicari nanti enggak.
Itu katanya dia ada asuransi, dia bisa bantu.
Ah.
Minta dia punya itu KTP.
Iya, makanya dia harus ikut
Oh
aja.
yeah,
You have to
you better go.
with-
You better go, and then the information you will get. You have to.
Udah ya.
Dia naik ke ambulan atau dia naik ke sini?
Follow aja kalau memang usah.
Ikut, can you follow them with the ambulance? Ya, it's okay lah.
Okay, thank you so much. I think we need to follow.
You follow?
You.
Oh,
You're not follow?
Kalau itu nggak usah lah kalau menurut saya.
saya nggak perlu.
Tunggu dulu sini. Tunggu dulu lah. Nah, mau ikut boleh? Soalnya saya ikut harus pergi sama. Oh, bantu gini.
Ano, you're going to follow too?
Wait.
Okay.
Supaya tahu kan, kamu tahu kronologinya.
He's the first
Ini
victim.
bapak polisinya sebetulnya.
Here.
Yeah, yes.
Where is the other guy? Where is the other guy?
Yes. This guy, the accident.
Yeah, he's the one who bumped to other motorcycle, and the second motorcycle bumped to my car.
Oh yes, this driver.
Wait. Wait. Hello? Oh no, we're still at the hospital.
Hermina Pasteur. Hospital name Hermina Pasteur.
Hermina Pasteur.
Pasteur, Hermina Pasteur.
Here, yes. No. There's no policeman, but we're still in the hospital. The other guy, the motorcycle who bumped to our car is not here. Only us. Because do I need to get the information of the suspect or no? So we don't need the ID and the cell phone number anymore of the driver.
Abi untuk saksi pas, abi mah cuma ngamankan HP di motor kan setiap ada batur kan palawur gitu kan. Kan tadi kalau di motor.
Okay, noted. I'm going to talk to some guys here about the situation. Or you can talk to them. Okay, noted. Do you need to talk to them? Okay, here. Excuse me. Can you talk? That's the owner of the car.
Hello? Iya, bisa dibantu Pak gimana? Saya sebagai security di Rumah Sakit Hermina Pasir, Pak. Ya, betul. Yang korbannya atau penabraknya?
Actually, I'm doing a YouTube vlog. I'm a vlogger. And then that guy bumped to other motor and the other motor bumped to my car.
Kejadiannya, tapi menurut paling nanti sama saya didata juga sih dua-duanya nelfon tadi. Gue pengembangan kan Pak Laut kan. Oh, akang iya sarang sana.
9, 10, 11, 12. Can you talk English? No to. Okay.
Bapak terang kisah di sana Bapak. Tahu atau saya pihak kepolisian. Ya, ini kunci motor si motor oke jadi korban ayeuna. Bicara ke pihak polisi saurna teh. Biasa mah mau di pihak kanan datang we ka dieu. Ge laresna bagusna kumaha-kumaha ge diobrolkeun di dieu we supaya enak. Dieu. Ya,
Yeah, I got bumped. I'm also actually I'm the victim
Oh, sarang si
because the other motorcycle bumped to me because of that guy.
Hotel in Bandung.
Yes.
Kayo. Weh.
Corsica. Hello.
Jadi aya nu ninggal ke saksina. 5 strip, ngiripi.
Okay. Mhm. Okay, yeah. The police didn't come actually. We still can't go. We can go now. Okay, noted. Okay, thank you so much. Okay. Excuse me. We can go now.
Wait. Wait.
Ah. Ay, puta. Shit, tika.
Atas adalah pemilik rental apa dengan wait a moment, waiting for the car rental come here.
I already talked to them. They told me that I can go and someone in their office will go here to get the information needed for the insurance.
Can I get your number?
Yeah, sure. Wait, I'm just typing. Mabigyan ng request. Let me do it kay
Jadi itu teh keluar di belokan gitu, cuman jalan gitu. Ya cuman maju heula sih, cuman cegana rek belok teh kumaha atas. Anggap jadi kita kan kiri kanan. Masih dari kanan dibanding kiri. Pokoknya mah abis ngahindarkeun si bapak nanti di arah di sebelah kanan. Kiri mobil. Dia ngerem sana. Ya jadi ku abi direm sakalikeun karena kami teu direm ya si bapak eta. Aja ya. Ieu. Gitu. Tetap di tangan sih. Bisa orang di bahasa Inggris nih. Panika sih misalnya. Oh. This weekend I get you identitas. Identitas.
Why?
Passport.
Why?
It's not just for buat foto polisi kan? Bukan. Oh, for dokumen here.
It's already in the rental company.
Oh, can you get number for come here?
Actually, the rental company told me that they going to send their staff here to get the information for the insurance because the insurance need the ID and the police report to claim.
Kayak nungguan orang si rentalnya bakal datang lagi. Udah tadi kita saya di telepon. Ya, orang pilih.
Yes.
Oh. Jadi kemana?
I'm doing a YouTube
Iya
content.
sih, itu benar. Saya wajib melakukan iman, Bil. Oh, itu kata Braksen.
Iya, emang.
Kata Brak.
He's from this side.
Iya, oke.
Actually, I think park.
Your car into
Left.
motor.
No. He bumped to a motorcycle. That motorcycle bumped to me.
Oh.
Yeah, actually, the motorcycle guy told me that if that guy didn't bump him, he should be under my car because he's too fast.
Yang kayak ada.
Iya.
He's too fast. He drive too fast. Yeah. I'm only driving 25 km per hour. It's too slow.
Kayaknya sih buat dia mau pergi lagi. Iya, masih sebenarnya masih korban sih.
Iya. Can I get your number and I get owner your car rental?
Yeah. That is Traveloka. It's from Traveloka.
Number you. First number you. WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Oh, oke.
Yeah.
Pas awal bisa karena aku udah kuat nggak bisa napas sakit jadi aku membungkukin badan.
Yang kebentur berarti kedadak yang kebentur ke jalan berarti apa ini?
Nah, nggak tahu soalnya yang awalnya
Is your contact?
yang aku
Ya.
ingat itu pokoknya di depan mobil terus
Romel, Seven Hands Travel Vlog.
yang
Push?
ke bawah itu kepala duluan dong. Awalnya helmnya nggak lepas. Soalnya aku ikut maju juga sih helmnya.
Nomor owner your car rental?
Traveloka.
Oh,
Traveloka.
car rental?
Yeah, it's Traveloka. I got it from Traveloka. But this is the WhatsApp of the driver who sent us the
Oh, sebentar ya. 8866. His name Andri.
Iya kayaknya.
Pak, sekarang dipanasin enggak? Udah itu setengah
Pas kumaha, saya udah punya sih kontak si Mas, jadi si pemilik rental.
Pemilik rental kan dia
Mau ke sini, mau ngambil mobil ya? Enggak, mau datang ke sini. Ini kan lagi bawa mobilnya, bawa mobil pemilik rental, kan lagi di rental mobilnya. Dia mau ada perlu keluar lagi.
Lama-lama sih, kalau penjaminan mah ini kan udah TK ya, kamu gawe. Kalau dari udah ada itu mah save aja dulu Pak. Cuman paling nanti yang penting deh itu mobil motor jadi itu
Motor itu masih kena di belakang.
kan yang kan itu.
Tatang ke tadi itu deui.
Jeung saha jeung
Jeung tadi Gojek. Jadi kumaha? Boleh
ya kan kalau mau jelas ya. Ya udah jelas.
Ya pokoknya yang
Nah, iya korban oge sih sebenarnya iya.
Korban oke. Tenang naon tapi. Hah? Maksudnya lu kalau tahu mana?
Are you hurt?
No, no.
No.
The hurt, the one I think that's hurt is the guy that he bumped, but he's not here.
Saya ini di dalam mobil,
Ya,
jadi nggak ada yang jauh kan.
Nyetir ya teh?
Hah?
Nyetir mana?
Iya, dia yang nyetirnya. Your driver?
Yeah, yeah.
Driver. Kumaha?
It's part of my content. When I go to some other country, I rented a car, then drive it. Yeah, YouTuber.
YouTuber dia lagi bikin konten.
Saya nama ada kan mau pakai barang jeung saja. Si Pak tetap itu kan.
Patatan ke kan itu deui, keur ngecek lagi orang mah.
Jadi lu jemput salah-salah.
Dia teh patatang keur diantar ke Gojek, kan itu deui.
Ini
Udah pergi. Soalnya ada di tutungan tadi nggak ada datang wae, sana curiga orang susulan diri tadi tuh. Motor yang lain ngaragokan, nabrak ini kena ini ya. Iya, yang aman.
cing orang tanyanya. Dan
Jadi kumaha?
bahasa ini tuh bisa. Saya pun jago teh nya.
Sekarang farmasi ya, Sa.
Aya tuh yang mana? Bisa gini malam begini.
Sip.
Aku telepon dulu ya.
Tahan farmasi.
Si Firly.
Firly.
Bisa. Yes.
No. He hit a motorcycle,
Oh.
and that motorcycle hit my car.
Oke.
Yeah.
Punya benar, iya ketabrak, ngebanting ke motor ini.
Iya.
I'm just here because of the insurance. Actually, and also I'm concerned about him.
Jadi dia juga ada. Saya di sini untuk apa?
Pagi naik naon kan?
Iya, kan lagi rental mobil.
Oh, ini tenang naon sih dalam sebenarnya sebenarnya.
Iya.
Anda kayak jadi ilmu. Iya kan? Tenang naon kan?
Enggak.
Yang paling emis ke dalam orang ya.
No.
Soalnya kan dia lagi di dalam mobil. Ngegedor motornya, mobilnya.
Ya karena pintunya.
Arah pintu.
Pintu belakang.
Jadi pulang wae.
Pulang. Kalau ini.
Oke, Mister. Thank you so much.
Ay. Thank you so much. Thank you. Hope that is okay.
Thank you so much.
Thank you.
For Bicor, yes.
Yes.
You too.
We're going to Kawaputi.
Oh, Ciwidey.
And yeah, not only in Kawaputi, also in some part that is not touristy, because I want to invite more tourists in Indonesia.
Oh.
Because when you say Bandung, it's only Kawaputi and Perunggong, I don't know, the other one. The other crater. It's only two tourist spot in Bandung. But there's so many places here that's not recognized by the tourists. So I'm going to that places to do a content. So tourists, when they went to Bandung, they have options, not only Kawaputi. They can, oh, there's so many tourist attraction in Bandung, in Indonesia. That's not recognized and popular. So that's what I'm doing.
Iya sebenarnya ini format juga, apa tadi udah ngobrol sama dokternya, ya udah sih karena dia mah datang ke sini cuma membantu. Dia kalau
Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, Mister.
Thank you so much.
Be careful.
Yes, yes. Okay na. Thank you. Yan, hi guys. So, kakaalis lang natin ng hospital. So, yung kanina, yung nangyari kasi, tumatakbo lang tayo ng 20 to 25 km per hour. Actually, sobrang bagal lang natin kasi nga, yung lugar is hindi naman ganun kasikip, hindi naman traffic. Tapos, mga motorsiklo lang tsaka tayo yun nandoon. Tapos, konting mga sasakyan. So, ngayon, nagulat na lang ako, biglang may bumangga sa likod ng car natin, okay? So, uminto ako kasi nagkaroon ng motor accident. So, dalawang motorcycle yung sumemplang, bumangga. So, ngayon, pagbaba ko, paglapit ko, dahil di sila marunong mag-English, alam mo yung pressure, tsaka yung atmosphere na parang ikaw yung may kasalanan, parang ikaw yung suspect, parang ganon. Di ako ngayon parang, oh my God, may gawa ba akong mali? Pero talagang ako kasi, as a driver, sure akong wala talaga. Kasi sa likod sila galing eh. So, ganon. So, ganon yung pangyayari. So, there's a guy na kung saan, na panoorin nyo sa video, okay? Nagbigay kagad siya ng presyo na 350 per hour daw, working employee daw siya, working man daw siya. So, kailangan daw niya ng 350,000. So, sa pera natin, that is almost 1,000 plus. Yan, almost 1.5 na yata siya sa pera natin. Per hour, kaya sa loob ko, laki naman na sahod nito. Okay. So, ganun. So, kaya sabi ko sa vlog kanina, peperahan pa yata tayo. Lahat naman naka-record, ni-record ko naman lahat. So, ganun. And then, nakipag-usap siya with our travel rental company ng car. Kinausap niya ngayon. Silang dalawa nag-usap. So, sa pag-uusap nila, I'm sure na, sabi niya, witness. So, witness daw siya. Kaya sabi ko, in my case, sa loob-loob ko na lang, sabi ko sa kanila, is there a police? Kasi syempre, mas madali mag-usap kapag may police, tama? Kaya sabi ko, baka may police. At the same time, ambulance. Tawag na muna tayo na ambulance. Money comes late. Sabi ko na lang ganun. So, huli na lang yung pera. Unahin na muna natin yung taong na-aksidente na kailangan din sa hospital. At the same time, kung may police nga, para mas klaro, may papagitna. Tama? And then, after ilang conversation yan, nagulat ako, ano pala, victim pala tayo, hindi pala tayo suspect, okay? So, yung guy na naniningil, o yung nagbanggit ng 350,000, okay? Siya pala is victim din. So, ang nangyari pala, ito na yung toll. Pakitignan nyo yung toll kasi ang problema, wala tayong plano mag-toll kasi wala tayong pambayad ng toll. So, ang nangyari, nandito tayo sa toll. Hindi ko alam kung paano to.